Okay, this video is going to cover how to share a discussion among sections of classes. So I'm going to open just this one section and I am going to add a discussion. Okay, this is going to be a test discussion. And right here is the key. I don't want to do copy two courses. What I want to do is a shared discussion. Okay. But I'm going to copy here. I don't want it in a folder. Okay, that's fine. See, it says you cannot share a copied discussion. Okay, so I'm going to uncopy it. And when I click shared discussion, I'm going to see all of my options here of who I can share with. Okay, then I'm going to choose those sections, which will show up here. Okay, I can choose a password so that students would have to use a password, and then I'm going to click create.